Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the 876 commercial complex, probably the largest commercial complex in Jamaica and the most successful. This is a 94-acre development that has been subdivided into different lots, and then people buy the lots and set up their own warehouse, etc. So today we are going to talk about another development taking place out by the 876 commercial complex. And this one is the construction of the ARC Logistics Park. And that's the area we're looking at now, straight ahead where they're going to build it. The building all the way to the top of the screen, that is a Nestle warehouse. And then to the bottom of the screen, it's another warehouse facility. But straight ahead, that's where they're going to be doing the ARC Logistics Park. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening out here. The ARC Logistics Park is shaping up to be one of Jamaica's most strategic industrial developments, aimed at transforming how goods move across the island and the wider Caribbean. The project sits in a rapidly expanding economic zone just outside Kingston. This area has been earmarked by the government for large-scale urban expansion, combining housing, industry, and logistics into a single modern hub. Construction of the ARC Logistics Park is focused on building out a multi-use logistics and distribution center. That includes modern warehousing facilities for storage and distribution, cold storage units for food and pharmaceuticals, light manufacturing spaces, trucking yards, and internal road networks, office space for logistics and supply chain companies. One of the key advantages of the project is its proximity to major transport routes. It connects easily to Highway 2000 and is within reach of Kingston's port facilities, including the Port of Kingston, one of the busiest transshipment ports in the Caribbean. This positioning allows businesses to move goods efficiently between ships, warehouses, and inland markets. From a construction standpoint, the development is being rolled out in phases. Early works typically include land clearing and grading across large acreage, installation of drainage and utility systems, road infrastructure within the park, and foundation works for warehouse structures. As the project progresses, vertical construction, steel frame warehouse buildings, and large span storage facilities become the dominant activity. The broader vision behind ARC Logistics Park ties into Jamaica's ambition to become a regional logistics hub, leveraging its geographic position between North and South America, alongside development like port expansion and highway upgrade. Projects like this are meant to attract foreign investment, improve supply chains, and create jobs in logistics, manufacturing, and distribution. Now, the expected completion and handover date is December 2026, and it's located at Ferry Pen, Cumberland Ferry Pen, and it's going to include 6 industrial units across 2 buildings, purpose-built for logistics, distribution, and light manufacturing. And Unit A will be 14,495 square feet, and Unit B will be 21,000 square feet. So the total leasable space is 113,210 square feet. And it's going to have docking bays and concrete ramps. And it will be heavy duty mezzanine floors for additional operational space, modern industrial architecture, and durable construction. And as we said, it should be, well, the projected completion date is December 2026. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.